Hensler AG, a Swiss company with the highest quality standards. For over 50 years, more than 3,000 different pharmaceutical raw materials, narcotics, and products made from the best herbs have been produced here. The modern infrastructure with qualified systems enables the manufacture of herbal active ingredients. New recipes are constantly being researched and tested in the laboratories. Currently, 2.6 million containers are produced, filled, and packaged annually and distributed through a qualified supply chain. 135 employees put their heart and soul into ensuring that customer wishes are exceeded. The enthusiasm of our dedicated workforce is unique. Hensler AG also produces to order in the highest pharmaceutical GMP quality, specializing in liquid, semi-solid, and solid forms. The nearly impossible is made possible. A worldwide distribution network is currently being set up. Suitable partners from the industry and the healthcare sector are being selected.